Hey everyone. Uh, just wanted to, I guess, do a part 2 on the Rhino. As you can see, tried it out this morning, let it dry good overnight. I didn't have high hopes for it anyways. I don't like gluing stuff anyways, but I thought it might be a temporary fix. And it wouldn't even hold up to that. As you can see here, try and get a close up on it. Plastic on that socket where it rotates is very thin. Not to mention where it actually sits on this little notch right here. The actual socket isn't but probably 3/16 wide in that plastic spot where it broke. You know, you win some, you lose some. Can't always get everything fixed. More than likely we'll hold out to find one that's damaged or one we can use for parts, and we'll try and swap that out for him. Nothing else. Maybe if this helps somebody figure out how to actually take this apart, disassemble it, or forewarning about that joint so nobody else winds up with one broken. I can honestly say I was actually watching him when he was playing yesterday, so it wasn't one of those deals where it was being forced or he was being rough with it. It was just everyday, movement, and it just popped. So it's one of those unfortunate things, but I appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, I hope it helps somebody somewhere down the line. But just feel free to comment or like this video or some of the other ones I've got posted. Hopefully, maybe in the next day or two, I've got a red CO battle sword I'm gonna tear into. It's got a arm that's loose. We're gonna see what's causing that. Hopefully have some more stuff in the future. But thanks for watching.